In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size using a helpful website called I Love PDF. Reducing the size of your PDF files can be incredibly useful, especially if you need to email them, upload them to a website, or just save some storage space on your devices. Let's dive right in and see how you can accomplish this efficiently in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. They'll all work just fine. Once you have your browser open, type in the URL bar ilovepdf.com and hit enter. You'll be directed to the homepage of a very user-friendly site dedicated to all things PDF management. They offer a plethora of tools, but for today's purpose, we will focus on file compression. Once on the homepage, look for the option that says Compress PDF. It's pretty easy to spot, usually right on the front page. Clicking this will take you to the specific tool within I Love PDF designed for reducing your PDF's file size. This compression process is quite quick and doesn't require any special software installation, which is a big plus if you're short on time or resources. Now, it's time to upload the PDF file you want to compress. To do this, simply click on the button that allows you to upload your PDF file. You can either drag and drop your file into the designated area or click to browse your computer's files. Select the PDF you wish to compress and upload it to the site. At this point, you'll see the file being added, and you might take a moment to ensure it's the correct one, as we wouldn't want any mistakes. After the file is uploaded, I Love PDF will handle the compression process automatically. Depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this could take just a few seconds to a minute, so hang tight. During this time, I Love PDF works by reducing excess data from your PDF without compromising the quality of its content. Clever, right? As soon as the compression is complete, you'll be prompted with the option to download the compressed file. Just click on download to save it back onto your computer. You'll notice that the file size has been significantly reduced, making it easier to manage and share. It's a good idea to open it after downloading to make sure everything looks just as you need it to. So there you have it. A quick and simple way to reduce PDF file size using I Love PDF. This tool takes the hassle out of compressing files and helps keep things neat and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your file management a breeze.